Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the default calendar in the calendar app on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down, tap on calendar, then swipe down again, and go to default calendar, and here you can choose between your saved calendars that you have in your calendar. So new events created outside of a specific calendar will default to this calendar. So it means, let's say let's open calendar right now, let's go and create an event. So now as you can see we have I'm in a calendar, I want to create an event, and as you can see now the calendar is DOM, so it means house in Polish, but this is the Polish word for house, and now as you can see it's blue and it's DOM. So now let's go and set the default calendar to just maybe praca. It means work in English, but it doesn't really matter because you can name the calendars as you wish, so the name doesn't really matter right now. But now let's open calendar, click cancel, and then hit a new event, and now as you can see now praca, so the work, is now my new default calendar. So if you're going to set it for, let's say, calendar, just the new event is going to be in the calendar, as you can see. So this is it. This is how you can change your default calendar in the calendar app on iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.